Good afternoon, profiles. My name is Quah jian. Today I would like to present value management assignment. The first one is definition and concept of value management. So value management is defined as the creative and organized approach. Those objective is to optimize of a facility or system, and value management as a regional systematic and innovative methodology with multiple disciplinary approach to achieve better value for project, product, facility, and system without creating the required performance level. And it is a creative way of working together in achieve client and stakeholder requirement. So this is the difference between conventional approach and the VM approach. So this is the traditional way to doing in a project, and for the VM approach, we are cross function, we are team together. For example, QS architect, client, engineering, and so on. We are work as a team. So this is the equation for the value management, including the value, function, quality, and the cost. Come into the 2.0 value management framework. So for the value management, we're divided into three categories. The first one is value planning, value engineering, and analysis. So for the first one, value planning, for the work including is planning for the design and the concept of the project, and brief for the client, and evaluation. For the second one is value engineering, where including confirm of the project design, size, and type of the design, and also the objective and the function of the object. So come into the value analysis, we will more focus on the monitoring of the value process. So this is the value management activity in construction project. So we can see that for the value planning, we include for the preparation and the design state. So we are more focused on the early of the project. For the value engineering, we will focus on the pre-construction and the design state. So we include all the cost plan, cost check, and the final cost, and all the design and tender document. For the last one, value analysis, we are more focused on the cost monitoring and post practical completion. So come into the 3.0 risk management framework. So the first one is planning. Planning is the first step of any project, which include planning, controlling, and execution of the project. So for the second is risk and identification. This is the most important important step to identify the risk involved. So the overall risk must be identified to able to analysis and know the risk response that will be taken. For the third one is the risk analysis. So for the equation for risk analysis is risk probability and the risk impact are to be used to calculate the risk level. For the last one is risk mitigation. So risk response is a process of developing options and determining the most effective action to increase the opportunity and reduce the risk from the negative effect. So this is the risk category and the metric that I have done. This is the table. So for the first one, I will do the risk identify first. For example, the risk and design risk, I will list out, and the external risk, I will list out all here. After that, I will do the risk metric table, 1 until 5 and 1 until 5 for the impact and the probability. After that, I will put in all the this risk into the table, and then I fill in all the level in this table, 1 until 5. For example, for the external risk ES1, so I will do here ES1 is 2 for impact and 4 for the likelihood. So I will fill in here too for the impact and the flow. So this is the table I've done. So this is the risk management framework. So come into the 4.0 is the benefit for VM. So the first one is VM promotes system thinking and establish customer need, and VM change the proposal and step, and also staff development and partnering and vertical for the change. And this is the barrier for any for the this is the barrier and the challenges in the implementation of the VM. So the first one is lack operative of VM among the QS is due to the low demand from the client. The second one is the existing services provided by QS are amended, including the measure for optimization of money or money for value where the implementation of VM is not necessary. The third one is lack of time to implement the VM. And the fourth one is the integration to normal work schedule is another ordinary criteria on value management. So the design or construction process have to be delayed due to the design team and construction team have to wait for the disruption from the VM workshop. So come into the conclusion, VM is a technical that bring additional gain to a process when adopted at the right time while ensuring continuous innovation throughout the project lifecycle through, and it also should be maintained along the project lifecycle since it is successful depend on its continuous process which ensure the process have a concrete business case with aim of creating value among the requirement of work stack and the OGC gateway. So that's all my presentation. Thank you.